I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. What if a single page on your site could behave like 3 different pages at once, each one answering a different visitor and quietly earning money? Quick story. I took a long how-to about sheet mulching. Just one article, added 2 tiny offers and a short checklist. Overnight, the page started to pay for itself. Not a windfall, but steady, reliable income that didn't need more posts. Here's the thing. You don't need another long funnel. Really. Give me 10 minutes and I'll give you 3 frameworks. One checklist you can run in under an hour, and one micro experiment to try this week. Why this matters? Time, attention. You can't keep publishing forever. If your pages do more of the work, rank, educate, sell, you get higher yield from the same traffic. And that changes the math for a solopreneur. Okay, first idea. Think of visitors as arriving with one of 3 goals: exploring, doing, or buying. That's it. The trick is to map those goals into one page so each visitor finds their path. Top of the page, quick answers and a clear value statement for explorers. Mid-page, step-by-step how-to, materials, time estimates for doers. Bottom, product options, downloads, or booking for buyers. Short anchors and a tiny table of contents help people jump straight where they need to go. Example, a permaculture guide. Start with a 1-paragraph definition for researchers, then a how-to with a materials list for DIYers, and finish with a compact shop or installer recommendation for buyers. Simple anchors let each audience skip the noise. Let's move to monetization, progressive offers. Layer tiny asks that match attention and willingness to pay. Free, micro price, full price. Put them where intent and attention meet. Start with an easy inline offer, a downloadable checklist, or email nudge. Next, a $7 to $27 micro guide or template. Finally, the full upsell or booking option. Each sits in a different part of the page. Checklist in the how-to, micro guide toward the end, booking or product in the conversion area. Faceless local example. A page for emergency gutter repair near me. Top, signs to look for. Mid, free 5-point inspection checklist for email. Deeper, a $9 micro guide on temporary fixes. Bottom, same day booking widget. Each visitor chooses based on urgency, and you capture value at each step. Placement heuristics. Keep the free offer inline and unobtrusive. Show the micro offer after scroll threshold or time on section. Keep transactional options anchored but accessible at the top, and measure each offer separately. Don't guess. Now, words matter. Hook-to-Action Microcopy are tiny lines that steer behavior. Pattern 1. Peak plus bookmark. A short teaser plus a soft ask. Pattern 2. Next step micro commitment. A tiny action with low friction. Pattern 3. Purchase micro justification. A 1-line reason to buy. Paste ready lines. Instant 5-point checklist. Download free. 1-hour repair plan, $9. Try step 1 for 10 minutes. Tell me how it went. Short, specific, benefit-led. Those reduce friction and get clicks. 2 A, B options you can test right now. A, instant checklist, download free. B, get the checklist, saves 2 hours. Read both out loud, then pick the one that catches your ear. That's often the higher performing line. Quick case study. Before, a long how-to with 1 generic CTA. After, discovery intro, anchored how-to, free checklist in the middle, $7 micro guide at the end. We track checklist downloads and micro guide purchases. Results. Within a month, checklist opt-ins tripled. Micro guide purchases converted at about 1.8% of engaged readers. Revenue per 1,000 visitors roughly tripled. Not magic, just aligned offers and clear microcopy. Risks? Sure. Overloaded page and bounce goes up. Misidentify intent and offers flop. Track simply. Scroll depth, clicks on anchors, time on section, and 2 metrics. Primary. Micro offer opt-ins per 1,000 visitors. Secondary, engagement depth. Mitigation. Start with 1 intent map per page. Add only 2 progressive offers and measure. If opt-ins rise but engagement falls, pull back, tweak placement or copy. Clean experiments win over complexity. 60-minute plan you can do this afternoon. Minute 0 to 10. Pick a high traffic page and read it with fresh eyes. 10 to 20. Map 3 visitor intents and mark where each answer should live. 20 to 40. Add 2 micro offers, a free checklist, and 1 low-cost micro guide or template, plus tight microcopy. 45 to 60. Set up 2 tracking events and publish. 1 practical experiment to run this week. Insert a free 5-point checklist in the middle of a how-to and test the 2 microcopy lines we just mentioned. Watch opt-ins per 1,000 visitors. If it moves, scale slowly. Let's connect the dots. Intense Strata gives the structure. Progressive offers give the monetization layers. Hook-to-Action Microcopy pulls readers through without friction. 1 page, multiple intents, multiple small revenue paths. That's systems work, practical and repeatable. If this episode helped you, subscribe to Ace Bailey for more systems first strategies. Try the 60-minute page audit this week and tell me what you learned, or share a result, and I'll comment back. I'm Ace. Check this out. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.